For my final seated twist, I want you to cross your legs, put your hands in prayer position, and then twist to the side, hooking your elbow over your knee and twisting your body until your palms are right in your heart center. You can leverage your elbow against your knee to get you into this position. If it's comfortable for you, turn your neck up to face the ceiling and don't forget to breathe. In and out. Release gently. Cross your legs to the other side and repeat on the other side. Hook your elbow onto your knee. Twist until your hands are in heart center, and if it's comfortable for you, turn your neck so that your gaze is at the ceiling. Breathe. After 15 seconds, return to center.